Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the wild robot. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with Roz from the Wild Robot. Let's begin by drawing the head. So you want to start towards the top of your paper, and we're just going to make a circle shape for the head. So we're just going to make a nice circle here, best you can. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. Now we're going to make the neck. Let's draw two lines that come down for the neck. And then we're just going to connect it. Next, let's make the body. We're going to make another circle. So we're going to make a nice fat circle shape for the body. Then, starting here, we're going to make a sad face shape. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. Then right here, we're going to make two lines that come down. And then we're just going to connect them. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. It's going to go down, up, and come back, kind of like a curve. Let's make a circle right here, and then we'll do a circle right here. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down here and down here. Same thing, we're going to go down and down. We'll connect each one of these. Then we're just going to go down, up, and up. Same thing here, we're going to go down, and then up. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. See, it's getting nice and wide towards the bottom. Then we're just going to go up and down and connect, and then just up and down and connect it. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it over and then go up. Same thing here. We're going to curve this out, bring it over, and then up for the feet. Now, let's make the arms. So let's begin right here by making a circle where the shoulder would be. And then same thing over here. We're just going to make a circle right where the shoulder would be. Next, we're going to make these really long arms. They're going to come all the way down to almost the knee. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. And then another one's going to come down, and you can see it gets a little bit bigger as it comes down. Same thing here. Let's bring this line down almost to the knee. And then same thing here. Bring this line down, and then make it get a little bigger as it gets towards the bottom. Let's draw a line to connect each one. Then we're going to make a circle shape here, and a circle shape right here at the end. Now for the fingers, let's draw a line that's going to come down and up. And then we'll go down and up, and then one more here. Then we'll put this over here, a little thumb. Let's do the fingers over here, down and up, down and up, down and up, kind of like they're hiding behind. And then we're going to make one that's sideways for the thumb. Now, we got our basic shape. Let's come in here and add some of the details. Let's start with the eyes. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to make a big circle shape here. And then we're going to make a big circle shape right here. Then we're going to make a small circle shape here, and then a small one right here. We're going to make two lines that come up on each side, and then two lines that come down on each side. We're going to make a couple lines across here. Then we're going to go down, over, and then up. Let's do that one more time. Down, over, and then up. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Then we're going to make two smiley face shapes right here for some detail. Let's make a rectangle shape right here. You can see it kind of curves a little bit. And then we're going to add a few little lines in here. Next, we're going to go up and up. We're going to go over and up, over and up. And then we're going to run it right across here. Next, we're going to bring lines going to go over and up and over and up. Let's make a couple lines across here. Then we're going to go up, over, and down. Now for each leg, we're going to make these lines that come across. So let's do about 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. And then right here, we're going to draw lines going to come down and up for some detail. We're going to make a line across the bottom of the feet. And we're going to make a couple little rectangle shapes right across here. Then we're going to make half a circle on each side here. Next, we're going to draw a line that goes over and then curves, over and then curves on the shoulder. Then we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 lines down here. We'll do the same thing here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 lines down here. Then we're going to make 1 and then 2 circle shapes on the hands. Same thing here, 1 and then 2 circle shapes on the hands. And then let's just go ahead and make some little lines come across on the fingers. We'll do that on each one. Just make a few little lines coming across here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Roz from the Wild Robot. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.